Hey everyone, if you own an RV, camper, or trailer, you know how tricky backing up or hitching can be. That's where a good RV backup camera comes in. It helps with safety, parking, and stress-free maneuvering. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best RV backup cameras on Amazon for 2025. Whether you need a solar-powered option, pre-wired plug-and-play, or a full DVR system, we've got something for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AUTO-VOX RV Backup Camera Wireless Plug and Play. The AUTO-VOX RV backup camera is designed for easy installation, especially if your RV is pre-wired for a Furrion system. Just plug and play, no complicated wiring. It features a 7.2-inch monitor, HD 1080p video quality, infrared night vision, and 3-channel recording, meaning you can connect multiple cameras for front, rear, and side views. With its stable signal and wide-angle lens, it's perfect for larger RVs and trailers. Pros: pre-wired for Furrion quick install, 1080p HD video with night vision, 7.2-inch large DVR monitor, supports up to 3 channels for multi-view. Cons: higher price point. Monitor size may block part of your dashboard view. Number 2. Solar Magnetic RV Backup Camera. If you hate wiring, this one's for you. This solar-powered magnetic RV backup camera installs in minutes, just mounted, and it's ready. It includes a 7-inch touchkey monitor with 1080p HD video and recording features. The wireless signal is strong enough for long-distance RVs and trailers with no noticeable delay. Pros: 100% wireless, no wiring headaches. Solar-powered and magnetic equals fast setup. 7-inch display with HD video. Portable between vehicles. Cons: must be recharged if solar charging isn't enough. Magnetic mount may not be as secure on rough roads. Number 3. AUTO-VOX Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic Dual Antenna. Another AUTO-VOX option, but this one uses a dual antenna design for an ultra-stable signal. A big deal if you drive long RVs or tow trailers. It comes with a 7.2-inch DVR monitor, 1080p HD recording, split-screen capability, and IP69K waterproofing. Plus, it installs in about a minute thanks to its solar magnetic mount. Pros: dual antennas for stronger signal, 1080p DVR with split-screen display, IP69K waterproof, handles harsh weather, 1-minute deinstall. Cons: solar charging may still need backup charging. Larger monitor takes up more dash space. Number 4. Furrion Vision S Wireless RV Backup Camera System. The Furrion Vision S is one of the most trusted names in RV cameras. This model features a 4.3-inch monitor, a wide-angle rear shark fin camera, infrared night vision, motion detection, and a built-in microphone so you can also hear what's happening behind your RV. It's also IP65 waterproof and is designed for easy compatibility with pre-wired RVs. Pros: trusted Furrion quality, motion detection plus microphone, night vision included, compact 4.3-inch screen saves space. Cons: smaller display than other models, pricier compared to similar systems. Number 5. AP72 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The AP72 Wireless Backup Camera is another magnetic solar-powered option. It comes with a 7-inch IPS monitor, offers HD 1080p video, and has a 3-minute deinstallation. This one's particularly great for hitching trailers, fifth wheels, or even horse trailers thanks to its portability and rechargeable battery system. Pros: fast install, under 3 minutes. 7-inch IPS screen for wide visibility. Solar-powered with rechargeable battery. Great for hitching and trailer swaps. Cons: needs recharging if solar isn't enough. Magnetic base can shift on rough terrain. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best RV backup cameras in 2025. If you want a pre-wired Furrion-compatible system, go with the AUTO-VOX Plug and Play. For a no-wires solar-powered solution, check out the Solar Magnetic RV Backup Camera. If you need super stable long-distance signal, the AUTO-VOX dual antenna is your best bet. For a trusted RV-specific brand, the Furrion Vision S won't disappoint. And if you need a quick hitching solution, the AP72 Magnetic Solar Backup Camera is the easiest to install. Remember, the right camera depends on your RV size, driving style, and whether you prefer wired, solar, or magnetic setups. Which of these cameras would make your RV life easier? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top product reviews.